everybody! Welcome back to English Pod. I'm so thrilled you're joining us for today's episode because we're diving into something that rolls around every year. New Year's resolutions. This is that time when everyone thinks about how to better themselves in the upcoming year. Isn't it fascinating?
Right. I mean, everyone talks about this, but do people actually follow through with these resolutions? Like, do you think they really change?
That's a fantastic question. Believe it or not, the number one New Year's resolution is to spend more time with friends and family. It's ironic, though, because we live in this fast-paced society where everyone's always running around, right? Just think about it. We're all so busy trying to provide for our families, often with things they really don't need.
Wow. That's a little sad when you think about it. Like, yeah, you might buy all these gifts, but does that really replace quality time?
Exactly. Most folks will set these resolutions, and by February, just 2 months later, many have forgotten all about them. I mean, how many gym bags do you think are gathering dust right now?
Oh my gosh. Like, I saw this meme the other day about dust collecting on expensive running shoes. It's kind of hilarious, but also, like, really relatable.
Haha, right? I can just picture those shoes shiny and new, but not even close to being put to use. A New Year's resolution, after all, is a fresh start, a chance to do or change something in your life. Like hitting the gym, quitting smoking, or, spending more time with loved ones.
So, like, what would you say to someone who's struggling with those resolutions? I mean, it's kind of common to feel overwhelmed, right?
Absolutely. One crucial point is to really pinpoint specific phrases that help you navigate through this. For instance, saying we are on the go is like living in a perpetual rush, always moving. It's so easy to eat on the go and miss those meaningful moments.
Yeah. Eating while multitasking makes you forget to taste your food. It's like, what's the point if you can't enjoy it?
Exactly. And then we have the phrase, stick to something, which is essentially about persistence. Most people set those New Year's resolutions, but oh boy, sticking to them? That's the real challenge.
Oh, but can you, stick to many resolutions at once? Because wouldn't that be, adding too much pressure?
That's an excellent point. You can definitely become overwhelmed if you try to tackle too much at once. It's far better to focus on 1 or 2 resolutions. Make them manageable. And what happens when you're not working on your goals? Things in your life can accumulate dust. Think about it like a dusty gym bag.
Haha. Yeah, for sure. Like, what if you had a gym bag that literally sat there for a whole year? It kind of becomes a monument for failure, right?
Haha, totally. That leads me to another interesting point. Think about your Christmas tree. It's such a central part of the holiday, right? You cut it down, decorate it, and it looks lovely. It creates that festive atmosphere, kind of a visual representation of our holiday cheer.
Oh yeah, and you decorate it with ornaments, right? Wait, is that, the same as goals? You're adding something to your life to make it brighter?
Spot on. Ornaments can symbolize the different goals we set. Pretty and festive. Each one brings something special to the table. But you can't just toss the ornaments on and expect them to stay up without effort.
That's so true. So how do we make sure our resolutions and, the ornaments actually stay up there, looking vibrant?
Great question. Share your resolutions with someone you trust. It makes you more accountable. Just like sharing your Christmas decorations, it creates a community where you can motivate each other. That's what makes it truly meaningful.
I love that. It's like having a support system during the holidays. Ooh, I can't wait to hear from our listeners about their resolutions and experiences.
Yes, let's get excited about that. Folks, remember to make your resolutions meaningful and enjoy this holiday spirit. Until next time, keep your goals bright and your spirits high.